Hey, this is James from Websites Made Easy, and this video is all about blogging for beginners, and will teach you how to be a blogger with just the most basic computer skills. So whether you're 8 or 88, you can create your own blog, and it's going to be a simple and fun experience. Sound good? Awesome. So let's dive in. So why should you create a blog and join the blogging community? Before we dive in though, I really want to talk about why you should start a blog. Look, blogging has quickly become one of the most popular ways of communicating and spreading information and news. There are literally millions of blogs online, and don't worry, you can make yours stand out and get noticed. It's a great way to express yourself and also a fantastic way to share information with others. You become a better person sharing your perspective and experiences with others, and also become a better writer. And one of the best reasons, you can make money doing it. And I understand, you might feel a little overwhelmed or think you won't be able to do this. And that's natural, and believe me, you will. And in just a few minutes, this will be your blog. I'll be showing you every step to creating this, and you can build this in one click. It's awesome. You'll get the hang of it quickly, and you'll see it's actually easy. And if you ever need to pause the video, please do. Have a stretch, a breather, and then continue with it. It's very quick to get this done. So are you ready? Grab a drink, a snack, get comfortable, and let's start creating your blog. Now, most folks have the blog creation process wrong, and I finally figured out how to do it right. I finally figured out how to get people to actually complete their blog so they can have a fun, creative outlet to share their message, connect with their tribe, and make money. See, the old way of creating a blog was to start with a blank canvas, which is just intimidating and overwhelming. You just have this blank screen staring back at you, and you don't know what to do or what to say. And that's horrible. And almost no one ever starts or finishes it. I've been teaching people like you how to start blogging since 2012. And this is the biggest problem. Most people just don't complete it. The start literally stops most people. It just becomes way too overwhelming. Now, the good news is there's another way. See, I've created a simple system to starting your blog. So in just 3 easy steps, you'll have your blog live on the internet. No gimmicks, no overwhelm. Just 3 steps, and you'll have this done. So what will you be doing in the next 3 steps? And what can you expect to achieve? Let's take a look at that now. Step 1 is all about registering your new blog's address, also known as your domain name. You'll learn what a domain name is, how to register one, and tips on the best practices when choosing one. Just like buying a house and having an address so friends and family can visit. Your blog address is there so people can visit your blog. We've also got a great little coupon code which will reduce the cost for you even more. Then you'll install WordPress onto your new domain. In step 2, you're going to be amazed how your new blog looks because we'll be installing a new theme which will transform the look and feel of your blog. And again, it just takes a few clicks to do this. I'm going to show you how you can create your fully functioning blog in less than 60 seconds and customize it with simple drag and drop without feeling intimidated or overwhelmed. It's simple and fun. You'll get to know what a theme is and be introduced to your new blog. In step 3, you'll start creating the foundations of your blog and get it online. You will learn the ins and outs of your new starter blog and create and customize the different pages of your blog, such as your About Us page and Contact Us page, so visitors can carry on the conversation and connect with you. It grows trust in you and it expands people's awareness for what you're doing. You're going to have lots of fun in this step, watching your blog come to life because you'll be also creating your first blog posts. Having a blog really gives you the opportunity to deeply connect and talk to your audience about things that matter to them the most. It also builds and establishes the know, like, and trust factor with them. You could do this by giving your audience regular, fresh, and relevant content, which speaks to their interests and fulfills their wants and needs. I'm excited to show you all the goodies coming up. Now, I don't know how much longer these starter blogs will be available for free, so watch this right now while you still can. So what are the odds that you'll discover something totally unexpected and new today? Well, I can tell you this. What I'm revealing today is the cutting-edge way of starting a blog. It's fresh, new, and different. Now, picture in your mind how much better your life will be once you finally have your blog live online. A fun creative outlet, building your business, connecting with your audience, building a tribe of loyal fans, and more time with your family and friends, more autonomy, and more time to enjoy life. These are just some of the benefits you are now enjoying. Your blog has transformed your life, and it certainly has for me. I'll be walking you through our proven and easy 3-step WTC system, which stands for website, or in this case, blog, traffic, and customers. So the steps will be, step 1 is picking out and registering your blog's address. Now this is also known as your domain name. Step 2 is getting started with WordPress and installing the fresh WordPress theme that I'll be showing you in just a moment. And step 3 is getting your blog online and designing it properly so it can immediately be viewed by visitors on the internet. WordPress is used by millions of people all around the world. Did you know that some of the biggest companies use WordPress? And some of the most famous people use it to run their own websites? People like Katy Perry, Jay-Z, companies like Forbes, Mashable, Sony, all are using WordPress because WordPress is just so easy to use. Anyone can create a blog, grow it, and in time, gain thousands of fans. To give you an idea of what's to come, take a quick peek at the blog we'll be creating.